Introducing the Leather Doctor, a proven mobile leather and vinyl repair and cleaning franchise, Sydney, New South Wales. If you're ready to join one of Australia's leading mobile service franchises and enjoy the lifestyle of your dreams, listen up. Established in 1989 with 70 franchisees across Australia, the Leather Doctor is Australia's leading provider of mobile leather and vinyl repairs, maintenance, upholstery, cleaning and recolouring. Your licence will allow you to exclusively trade in a large territory in Sydney. This mobile service franchise provides clients with professional cleaning, repair, restoration and recolouring to leather and vinyl furniture, car and boat interiors and more. The Leather Doctor's comprehensive training program equips you with all the necessary skills to successfully complete work. Professionally developed advertising and proven lead generation marketing will be readily available to you, as well as extensive ongoing support. With low franchise fees and no need to pay for or maintain a retail space, this franchise is a true moneymaker. Top franchisees are earning $200,000 plus a year as single unit franchise operators. The Leather Doctor's reputation in the franchise community is exceptional, and with little competition, you'll feel a real sense of ownership. If you want to join a great team, control when you work and what you earn, and enjoy a better lifestyle, now's the time to become a Leather Doctor franchisee.